What is up? Welcome back to video 11, the last video in the series. I'm super excited you are here. We are finishing up the blog tools within Repurposely playlist, and we are talking about the Repurposely article writer. Now, if you watched the last video, you know that when you create a blog link to 10 related ideas, you're going to get problems, you're going to get a title, you're going to get a hook, and you're going to get a keyword. And so what I want to do is I'm going to walk you through this process of looking up a blog link, getting these ideas, and then moving that over into the Repurposely article writer, because there are specific sections in there that you can use to simplify creating this idea. And so what we have here is we have the 10 ideas, blog title, Advanced SEO Techniques for 2024, what you need to know, how to conduct a comprehensive SEO audit, the role of user experience in modern SEO. So we're just gonna pick one of these ideas, right? We're gonna take this idea. Actually, we're gonna save this idea. We're gonna save all of these ideas, right? And we're gonna highlight this right here. Let's just take this. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna put it into a particular little folder. I'm gonna X out of this. You can save that if you want. I'm gonna go back and we're going to go into our 11 tool. This is part of the Elite plan. You're using this to put together a little article for you, or to give you a nice little head start. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take what we just got from our blog ideas, and we're gonna drop the headline in there. We're gonna take the problem that it solves, right? We're gonna take that problem and we're gonna drop that in like this. We're gonna take our hook, right? We're gonna take our hook, and we're going to take the keyword, which is Advanced SEO Techniques 2024. We're going to put that in there. And then we're going to drop in a target audience, right? So let's say the target audience is people new to people who want to learn advanced SEO techniques. Let's say that, techniques. Okay, we're gonna pick our language and we're gonna hit generate. And what's gonna happen now is it's gonna take all that information that we just took from the idea that we got, and we're gonna turn that into a small article that you can use in regards to different sections that go up to 10, because you can expand on these, and it's going to give you information. Discover the cutting edge of strategies that will dominate 2024. Then you expand on this. Voice search optimization. This is all ideas based off of this particular headline. Voice search, right? These are trends. AI machine learning, mobile first indexing, core web vitals, right? Core web vitals are essential for user experience. Improve your core web vitals by, and it gives you these things, and then you can expand on these things. And so now you have content quality and EAT, right? Google expertise, authoritative, and trustworthiness. I think there's another E where you can add that, right? Creating high quality informative content, citing credible sources, build a strong author profile. Right? These are 10 headlines and 10 ideas and things that this is putting together for you, is going to help you write your article easily based off of the information that you already received from those 10 ideas. So I really hope that you can see how powerful this is, and you can turn this into a much larger article, right? and put it into another writer, or when Repurposely Writer is finished, you can use that to expand upon these ideas, which I will walk you through. But this is something at the moment, if you get started, is very simple for you to use. It gives you a great foundation on where to start, no matter what idea and problem you're trying to solve. And that's all we got. We are done with the series. I am extremely excited that we completed this together. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, watch it again, start using the tools. I'm so grateful you're here. Until next time, thank you. Take care.